Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to do something different which we generally don't do. It's not a makeup video, not a beauty or a fashion video. What we are going to do today is cooking, which almost everyone is doing in this quarantine. So just what we're going to do is we're going to make some chili cheese toasty in our own style, which we'll be turning into a vegetable toasty, which I really like. So without any further ado, let's get started. Things which we need, and you might find it a little bit more, like a lot more actually, but these are the things which I use. So let's get started. I'll take you through all the ingredients and then I'll tell you how to. So guys, the very main ingredient which we need are obviously some breads, and these are the square shaped breads. I just cut them into these circles because I like them this way. So first things are these bread. Then we have to take some mozzarella cheese. I'm taking this Amul one, and then I've grated it like this. So these are the cheese. Then we need some red chilies. If you don't have red chilies, you can just take like green chilies. I had them, so I'm taking these ones. Then these three vegetables are optional. I am making the vegetable one, so I'm taking these tomatoes. Then some bell peppers, these green capsicums you can say, and then some onions. Some pizza and pasta toppings. So the next things which we require are obviously some salt, some pepper, some chili flakes, some oregano herbs. If you don't have them, just skip it, and some oregano seasonings. So guys, the main thing which we require to have that, literally that flavor of garlic and those seasonings and herbs, is this concoction, which is some like I've melted the butter and then I've added grated garlic, some oregano and some chili flakes. This is going to add that extra flavor. We have to take this bread and apply some pizza and pasta toppings over it. Okay, not very much, just a little. Then apply some tomato, capsicum, some pieces of onion, like very tiny, some red chili with the cheese, oregano, seasonings, chili flakes, pepper, some salt, that's about it. Now we're going to just cook it on the griller on my gas. Let's watch. We're going to switch on our gas, obviously, and then we're just going to heat it a little bit and wait for the pan to get heated. Add some butter over this.
तीसरा बटर खोल रही हूँ
लेकिन मम्मी बताना चाह रही कि हम बहुत बटर खा रहे हैं. So whatever. So guys, now we're going to take them and just keep them on the butter. And the other one. Ouch. And then on top of this, we are going to have this concoction all over it, like so, because we need that garlic flavor, obviously. Also, you have those Amul ke garlic butters. You can use that one. I didn't have it, so I'm using this one. Make this concoction, and now we are just going to cover it up and wait for it. So guys, see, you have this cheese which is already melted. Close the version. ये melt हो चुका है पूरा, and now you can just take them out. And these are ready. I'm just going to show you. They look somewhat like this. ये पूरी melt हो चुकी है cheese. I applied a little less cheese. You can apply more. I'll be making some more with lots of cheese, and I'll show you those also. And then see how grilled it is and how good it is. And now we're just going to have a tasting test. So then she's Vidhi, and Vidhi, how are they?
अमेजिंग.
तो तू ऐसे अमेजिंग क्यों कर रही है?
ये है वैसा, मैं ये भी खा रही हूँ.
And she, oh, you're eating one more, and she doesn't eat tomatoes, you guys, and she's eating tomatoes in this one. So yay. And now we're going to make some more, and I'm just going to show you that the cheese is completely melted, and we're just going to wait for a little bit more, and one more is on its way, and we're just going to cover it. have contestant number 2 for our tasting test. So this is Rehan. Rehan, what are you eating?
I'm eating some chili cheese toast.
So can you please tell us how does it taste? Do you like it or don't you like it?
First, let me try.
Okay, we're waiting. Rehan, I'm waiting for your reaction.
It's not good.
It's not good? Really? अच्छा नहीं लगा. Rehan, it's not good.
Yeah. It sucks.
It sucks.
It's not good. It is jhakkass!
Show you mine ones. These are normal chili cheese toasty. थोड़े से ये जल भी गए हैं end के क्योंकि I was so hungry and I was like jaldi. I'm done making all the toasties and now I'm like eating mine. I am just having my normal chili cheese toasty without some veggies because veggies were over and I was not feeling like cutting them, chopping them off. And yes, I was not able to film everybody else because I was so busy in making them. It was really time consuming. So I would really suggest if you have an electric tandoor, you can just switch to your tandoor instead of your those non-stick tawas and all things like fry pans. So yes, and you can make them, enjoy them, and it's like really tasty. Trust me, you guys. So yes guys, I hope you guys like this video, and if you find this recipe helpful, do tag me in your pictures and tell me that you made them for yourselves. Guys, if you like my video, then do not forget to click on that thumbs up button right there on your screen. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family, relatives and everywhere. And do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. I'm really new on TikTok and I'm still learning how to use that app. And I hope I learn that soon. Also, this was the very first time that I made such a raw video. Like this was really a very raw video. This was just very random. I was just trying to make them at my home. So I thought of just sharing the recipe with you guys. And I did so. And I hope you guys just like it. And yes, I'll see you super soon. Bye.